Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add hologram effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application. And first thing first, I'm going to add my second video to this project. I'm going to add this video. I'm going to make it as an overlay like this. And I'm going to cut the video. Okay, and then if we want to create hologram effect, we can go to the video option and then select basic, and we're going to go to the blend mode. Okay, select the mode, and I recommend you to select the screen mode. Okay, and I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, and I'm going to crop the video guys. I'm just going to crop it like this. Click on confirm, and you can customize the position according to your needs, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and then this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the hologram effect has been created. And okay guys, that's all the way to create hologram effect in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.